Hi, my name is Šantl-Temkiv. I'm a microbiologist working at Aarhus University in Denmark. In this talk, I will tell you about research on microorganisms that we do. These microorganisms disperse through Earth's atmosphere. I'll talk a bit about their adaptations, activity, and impact on climatic processes. Atmospheric dispersal has been the key way for microorganisms to colonize new environments for more than 2.5 billion years, that is, since the early colonization of land. This is up to today a major way for microorganisms to disperse over thousands of kilometers. Atmosphere is a stressful environment from the perspective of microorganisms, as it is very dry and highly radiative. It also experiences dynamic shifts in conditions such as freeze-thaw cycles, drying rewetting cycles. Therefore, microbes need to have special adaptations in order to survive and maintain metabolic activity in the atmosphere. Understanding these adaptations may expand our idea of habitable environments, which may include the atmosphere in the future. Recently, there has also been a lot of focus on the ability of microorganisms to influence cloud formation, optical properties, and lifetime. If this creates biological fingerprints on a planetary climate, it may constitute a promising new biosignature for future search for life on exoplanets. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you at my EAI talk next week.